Xiaomi has officially dropped the new Xiaomi17T, and on paper it looks like the ultimate value king of 2026. But as always with the T series, there is a catch. We're breaking down the compromises, the raw power, and whether this phone is actually worth your cash. Let's get into it. First, the physical package. At 200 grams and just over 8 millimeters thick, the 17T is surprisingly light. The compromise? A plastic frame. It's a fingerprint magnet and doesn't feel ultra premium. But on the bright side, you get full IP68 water resistance, which is a massive win at this price. Flip it over, and that screen is gorgeous. It's a 6.59-inch, 1.5K AMOLED panel protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, pushing a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a blinding 3500 nits of peak brightness. Outdoor visibility is flawless. Under the hood, Xiaomi went with the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra chip, paired with 12 GB of lightning-fast RAM. It's not a benchmark-breaking flagship processor, but with an Antutu score pushing past 2.1 million, it handles multitasking effortlessly and keeps cool during heavy gaming sessions. Running the show is HyperOS 3. It's heavily integrated with Xiaomi Hyper AI, giving you Google Gemini built-in, real-time transcriptions, and circle to search right out of the box. But the real reason you're here is the camera setup. Xiaomi has brought a true 5x periscope telephoto lens down to the standard T lineup. The rear setup features a 50-megapixel primary camera with the Light Fusion 800 sensor, that gorgeous 50-megapixel 5x periscope zoom lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Daylight photos from the main and 5x lenses are incredibly sharp. You can choose Leica Authentic for moody natural shots or Leica Vibrant for social-ready pop. The downside? The ultra-wide and the 32-megapixel selfie camera struggle in low light, showing softer details. Then there's the battery, easily the best part. Xiaomi packed a massive 6500 mAh, global 7000 mAh, China-only silicon carbon battery into this incredibly thin body. This is an easy 2-day phone for casual users and a solid full day for power users. Charging tops out at 67 watts. Yes, it's slower than their old 120-watt speeds, but that's the necessary trade-off for this ultra-dense battery tech. If you want a premium metal build or elite ultra-wide cameras, look elsewhere. But if you value unmatched battery life, a brilliant 5x portrait lens, and a stellar screen without breaking the bank, the Xiaomi 17T is a steal. Would you buy this over a base flagship? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.